Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing well, and I thought we would do, I already did the layout of the collage just to save some time, but on the Facebook Live last night we made this little envelope flip thing, and all it is 2 envelopes that you stagger, fold over, and I just sewed in the middle. Oh, I'm just loving this new tripod. I'm so happy with it, so I can be able to look down instead of sideways so you guys can see a lot better. I'm just really happy with it. Anyways, yeah, and then we put, before we sewed it all together, we glued down the flap of the envelope and cut along the side so that we would have pockets to be able to put tags. So I made some tags out of some old file folder. Oh yeah, I was going to show you that. So we did that on the Facebook Live. In my little group. It's growing, it's getting there. And if you guys are new, it's called the Laid Back Junk Journal Gals. I'll put it in the description just in case you're curious. Come check us out. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that I'm new to doing a group, so yeah. So yeah, and if any of you guys who are there, if you have any suggestions on what you might like to see in the group from me, or as an activity or something in the group that you guys would like to do, just let me know. I'm going to grab another glue stick. Because my other one is almost gone. So I don't think I want to ink any of the edges of anything. We'll start with this one here. Yeah, I think I'm just going to leave them plain. Okay, I'm just checking them in frame. So I asked you all how you were doing. Hope you're doing well. And I got a little book over here. I learned that from Gail Augustinelli and Roxy Creations. They do that, so I thought to try to keep my surface clean, I would do it too. I was like, monkey see, monkey do. For the most part, I love the junk journaling community. Everybody is willing to, you know, they're so nice and willing to share their ideas, and very sharing, and I like that. So I think I wanted to put that right there, and then our little owl. I may ink the owl just to make him pop a little bit. So it's a lot different doing live videos when you have comments to keep track of. It's a lot different than this, and I eventually would like to do lives on here on YouTube. someday. So my Facebook group is kind of a practice place where I can practice doing lives, and because I don't know if I told you guys before, but I get high anxiety, and like last night I was, you might not be able to tell, but my anxiety level was a little high. But I'm trying to, like, I had fun though. I did have fun. I'm trying to, I don't know, get myself out of that and try to be comfortable. And sometimes that's hard for me. I just get in a headspace. Where's my little... We'll use this to glue this down. Anyways, so this afternoon I filmed my Amazon purchase, and did that. That was fun. I was so excited when the stuff come. I wanted to play with it all at the same time. So there's one. In the back, I'm just going to leave plain for journaling on. So we'll set that right there. Then we'll do this one here. I've seen Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I've seen her making these today on her YouTube. They're just layered butterflies, and I sewed mine down the center. So I thought I'd throw that on there, and that would be. But you know, I'm wondering, I probably shouldn't put that on there because it's going to be going in this back pocket, and it might be too fat and snag on the pocket. So maybe I won't do that. Maybe I'll do a, I got these nature definitions, and that's a perfect one right there, Flora, because I'll have a flower on the, yeah, I think that will look wonderful. I know I said I wasn't going to ink the stuff, but I lied. I'm such a big liar. Oh my goodness. So just one big piece for that one. So this has already got gluey on it, so I'm just going to turn it over and use the other side. Oh, that glue's gone. Yeah, I'm really loving this new, yeah, I don't know, it's probably not a tripod, called a tripod, because a tripod has 3 legs, and this just hooks to my table, and I love it. I'm really loving it. I can't stop talking about it. And it's adjustable and really cool. Okay. So I have to have a talk with a lady. Her name is Penny Souther, and she runs a couple groups. She just started group, junk journaling with Penny, and as far as I know, she's admin or moderator over on Junk Journal Buddies with Liz. And I asked her the other night, she was on my Facebook Live. I said, I'm going to need some pointers from you. Or, you know, can I hit you up for some pointers on how to run a group? So she said, yes, anytime. So I'm grateful for that because, you know, it's always nice to have a friend to help you out a little bit. Okay, I still think it needs something. And I'm not sure what. I'm looking. Maybe. No. Maybe another flower. Another flower there. Why not? There's no rules, right? Whatever looks good to my eye, I guess. I'm just going to cut that little part here where it overhangs. So there's that one. And I may sew around them. I may not. I don't know yet. And then there's the back. Okay, so there's two all done. This one's going to go in the very first pocket. And I'm going to do it so that it's horizontal instead of vertical. And hopefully you guys will be able to hear me better too. My mother had mentioned that the volume was low, but I have my volume all the way up, so I don't know. And I put all like my media and my notifications and stuff like that. I put that all up as high as it will go. Okay, so I'll glue that down first. So you can probably hear me breathing. Yeah, because I got the camera right in front of me, so it's right in front of my mouth. You guys will all think I have a big mouth. Which I really don't. I'm not really a big talker. I really honestly am not. I'm a woman of not very many words. I don't know. Every day is different, I guess. This bird picture is on some shiny paper. So I'm just using a different glue instead of my glue stick in hopes that it will stick down better. I wonder what a definition will look like on there. I love those. I got those, I don't know if I can't remember if I mentioned or not, but from Tracy Fox on Etsy. She had a whole bunch of them, or it was 2 pages anyway. I might like this red one. No. Okay. So there's that one. And then our last one. I even cut out some little grasses or grass to go on the bottom of, or wherever, somewhere in the journal. So I have a couple pieces of that to put into. I love the colors in this image. It's just so, it doesn't show like it does in person though. Okay, so we'll put down the coffee stain paper first. And I think I want to put some ink around that. Oops. Now I'm kind of second guessing that image. We'll just go for it though. Ugh, getting glue all over me. Do I want this piece? No, I don't think I am going to put that piece. What about maybe a butterfly? Maybe the little butterfly right there. There we go. Oh, I'll show this one up close. So there's that one. Alright, so this back one. This one's gonna go in there. This has been a fun journal to work on the ephemera and stuff. That one's for that one. No, that one's for that one. This goes here. Oh, come on, you booger. That in there. And then this one here. Why are they being little pissy ants? Okay, I got it. We got it. Okay, and then this top one's going in sideways. Like that. And there we go. I left the backs blank because I plan on just gluing them down to a page. But you could also, if like say this was your page, you could drape it over top and decorate your back, or put some coffee stain paper there and do some journaling. Drape it however you wanted. That'd be another cool way. So I still might do that. I don't know. But there you go. That page has glue all over it. So I'm going to just throw it away. I have enough book pages. I don't need to be saving any. Oh my goodness. The struggle is real. Okay. I guess I'm going to hit the road. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Bye.